Hey English learner, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore three important prepositions in English: in, on, at. These prepositions are used to show location and time, and understanding how to use them correctly is crucial for effective communication. So today we are gonna make them super easy. So let's get started. Let's start with on. We use on to talk about a surface. For example, the book is on the table. A date My birthday is on December 20th. A device. I am watching a video on my phone. We also use on for days of the week. Like on Monday, on Sunday. Let's move on to in. We use in to talk about a room or a building. For example, I am in my room. A country or a city. For example, I live in USA. A book or a magazine. For example, I read an article in a magazine. Now, finally, let's talk about at. We use at to talk about a specific address. For example, I live at 123 Main Street. A specific time. For example, I will meet you at 5 o'clock. An event. For example, I will see you at the party. That's it for today's lesson, but remember, on is used. We use on for being on top of or touching a surface. like a picture on the wall, and your phone on the table. In. We use in for enclosed spaces, containers, like a fish in a bowl. In as being inside. A date, a device, days of the week. In is used a room or a building, a country or a city, a book or a magazine. At is used for a specific address, specific time, or an event. Now let's see. Fill in the blanks. The book is blank the table. In, on, at. What do you think? The book is on the table. We live blank London. In, on, at. What do you think? What's the right answer? We live blank London. London is a city, so we use here in. See you blank the library. See you at the library. The cat is blank the box. In, on, at. What do you think? What's the right answer? The cat is in the box. The picture is blank the wall. I will see you blank 6 p.m. Now guys, you do this one and share your examples below. In is used for inside also, and on is used for surface. At is used for point or time. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Now you have got this. Don't forget to follow my channel. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe.